Hey, I'm Doogs, and this is Triplex for VS Code. Open any React component in your editor right next to your code. And when I say any, I mean any React component. Use the visual controls to get your elements looking just right. Needing more control? Dial it in with input controls for the finer details. When you're ready, save your changes back to code. Jump down to code and keep building when visual and input controls aren't enough. Don't worry, saving syncs back to Triplex. And one last thing, you're not limited to just 2D or 3D. Work with both at the same time.